Namaste children. Today in our functional grammar series we learn about simple past tense or past continuous tense. Objective. At the end of the lesson we learn the correct form of the verb that go either in simple past tense or in past continuous tense according to the situation and time marker. The simple past simply mentions a past action. The past continuous describes actions or events in a time before now, which began in the past and is still going on at the time of speaking. In other words, it expresses an unfinished or incomplete action in the past. Let us study this sentence. In this sentence, we have when. When generally takes simple past form of the verb. Hence, at that point of time, where were you? That means, where were you when I called last night? Study this sentence. In this sentence also we have when. That means the first blank takes a simple past form of the verb, that is arrived. When you arrived at the party, who were there? Study this sentence. In this sentence also, when is there. So when she heard the noise, at the time what Susie was doing? Susie was doing homework. That means the sentence will be Susie was doing homework when she heard the noise. Let us study this sentence. All the actions took place yesterday. Hence it is very clear that all the verb should be in the simple past form. That means yesterday Raja went to the library, next met Sidhu, and later had a talk with Susie. Let us study this sentence. In this sentence we have while. While generally takes a continuous form of the verb. That means while we were playing tennis. At that time what happened? Raja hurt his ankle. What dash at 10 p.m. last night? That means at that particular time what they were doing. What were they doing at 10 p.m. last night? It was really noise. She dash in the kitchen when I dash up. So where was she? She was in the kitchen when I rang up. It dash a day last September. The sun dash, the birds dash, I dash along the road when I dash my old friend Raja. That means the narrator here narrates something. So the verbs will be in the progressive tense. It was a day last September because it is already completed last. How was the sun at the time? The sun was shining. The birds were singing. I was walking along the road when I met my old friend Raja. When the teacher dashed into the room, all the children dash. That means at that point of time, what the children were doing, they were shouting loudly. So, when the teacher entered into the room, all the children were shouting loudly. Study this sentence. This sentence talks about a past event on some holiday. What they did? We visited Mumbai, saw Gateway of India, and spent some time at Chowpatty beach. Study this sentence. At 9 p.m. yesterday, at that point of time, what happened? We were watching the famous TV program Kaun Banega Crorepati. While I dash to market, I dash my friend Rahul. You see, already it is told that along with while we have progressive tense. That means while I was going to market, I met my friend Rahul.